This is our 2013 13-plate Mini Coupe Coupe S. So it's the 1.6 turbocharged engine, and this is the later N18 model. It's finished in the Reef blue, which is very rare for the Coupe. It's got the black bonnet stripes. It's got the Chilli pack and the sports JCW kit. So the Chilli pack models come with the front fog lights and the xenon headlights. The JCW pack also comes with 17-inch cross-spoke wheels. Inside it's got the optional piano black interior trim. It's got the 3-spoke leather multifunction John Cooper Works steering wheel with the leather trim. It's got cruise control, telephone, audio controls. It's also got the optional visibility pack, which is auto lights, auto wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. It's got media satellite navigation, heated front seats, full climate control as part of the Chilli pack. And it's got the optional Championship Lounge leather interior. So these are heated seats as well. Alloy wheels are all in great condition, no scuffs or scrapes. Same applies to the rear bumper. It's also got the rear park assist with visual display. Boot area is all very clean and tidy. Has the retractable rear spoiler. And the stripes go all the way over the top of the car. These are removable should you not like them. Tyres on the car are all good, between 7 and 8 millimeters all round. The piano black trim extends across to the passenger side, and it's also got the optional Harman Kardon hi-fi system. Bluetooth telephone connectivity and DAB radio also form part of the Chilli pack. Probably just seen there the optional centre armrest. It's got the clear indicator lenses. The car's got a superb service history. It's got a full Mini service record, along with one just carried out by ourselves. And as part of our inspection, we've also replaced the rear discs and pads. And it comes with an MOT which runs through until February 2019 with no advisories. You can see from the service info, MOT due February 19, inspection service 16,000 miles or July 2020. Front brakes have around 20,000 miles remaining. Brake fluid is due January 2020. Oil service is due January 2020 or 22,000 miles. Rear brakes have around 37,000 miles remaining. And you can see here all the documented service records.